In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a searchable directory on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-use search experience that helps visitors quickly find what they need, whether that's products, services, or any key content on your site. Start in the Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Add Apps or App Market icon. This is where you'll find the tools that extend your site's functionality. In the App Market search bar, type Site Search. This filters the results so you can quickly locate the official Wix Site Search app. Select Wix Site Search from the results. This app is built by Wix and connects directly to your site's content, which makes it ideal for creating a directory-style experience. If it's not already installed on your site, click Add to Site. Give it a moment to install. When it's done, a search bar element is added to your page, and a results experience is set up behind the scenes so visitors can see relevant matches. Now, click the search element on your page and open Settings. This brings up the control panel where you can fine-tune how the search behaves. Inside that panel, go to the Settings area so we can focus on what appears in your directory results. Look for the section labeled Show on Search. This is the heart of your directory configuration. Here, you decide which types of content are included when someone searches. For example, you can have the search pull from products, services, or other supported content on your site. Choose the items that match the kind of directory you want to build. If you're creating a product directory, turn on products so customers get item-level results. If your focus is services, enable services to highlight offerings instead. Keeping this selection tight makes your results more relevant and your directory easier to navigate. A few quick tips as you configure. Use clear, descriptive titles and summaries on your items so search results make sense at a glance. Consistent naming helps visitors scan results faster. Consider the intent of your audience. If they're looking for offerings, keep the directory focused on those items rather than everything on your site. That's it. You've added Wix Site Search, opened its settings, and defined exactly what shows up in results, so your site behaves like a polished, searchable directory. You can return to these settings anytime to refine your selections as your content grows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new streamlined search experience on Wix.